Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I want to talk to you guys about some of the things that are happening in the economy this week. It's kind of a big mess. And don't forget, on the Black Financial Channel, we believe in the B1 philosophy. B1 means Black First. Black First means we put our community at the top of our priority list. And also at the end of this video, if you stick around, I will tell you why I like a certain stock that I think is going to do very well for you long term. So I was just reading some reports about the economy in the fourth quarter of this year. It's not expected to be good. Actually, when they asked most of the analysts, do you see anything to look forward to in the last 3 months of the year? A lot of analysts said, well, not really. You got a few little issues here. Number one, corporate earnings are expected to start declining. This is going to be the result of constant Fed pushing on inflation. They're fighting inflation like crazy. That's become priority number one. They don't care about anything else. In fact, their goal is to increase the unemployment rate. I mean, how's that? How's that for an objective? And also, they are engaging in what is called massive wealth destruction. That means that their goal is really to make you broke. If you're an investor, their goal is to kick you in the butt, and there's ways to protect against that. And again, stick to the end. I'll tell you some strategies that I found that actually work pretty well. The second thing that's going on is you have a decline in the real estate market. Now that interest rates are higher, the price of real estate is starting to drop. A lot of agents on the ground are saying that we don't have an inflation problem in the real estate area because a lot of people are pulling out of their home deals. That's a big deal. It's kind of crazy, but for some reason the Fed is continue to push against that third variable, which is actually kind of a negative in the economy right now, which is inflation. They keep saying, like, okay, we're fighting inflation, but actually inflation is the third beast that you're fighting against. You're fighting against a slowing economy. You're fighting against slowing corporate earnings. You're fighting against this massive inflation rate. So it's kind of ugly. It's getting kind of bad long term. And also some people even predict that for the next 2 or 3 years, we may have a sideways stock market. Sideways means it doesn't go up that much, doesn't go down that much, just kind of goes sideways forever. And that's kind of scary. Now, let me give you a couple of thoughts here. Number one great way to make money in a market like this is by selling stock options. And that's one of the things that we focus on in our Prime program at drboyceprime.com. Use the code word Dr. Boyce, all one word, Dr. Boyce, and you can get 25% off in the Prime program if you'd like to join us. We meet for class regularly. I text my students regularly. You can send me questions about what you're doing regularly, and I will answer those questions all the time. Number two, the other thing about this market is that even though you're going to have some damage here and some problems here, there are ways to protect your portfolio, like getting some of your money away from the market, maybe putting some money in treasuries, maybe because remember, CDs aren't that bad anymore. The interest rates are going up, so that's getting better and better. So remember, every economy has its bull market. There's always an opportunity somewhere. You just got to go know where to go to look at. Now, do me a favor, guys. If you haven't done it yet, hit the thumbs up button, thumbs up, subscribe, all that stuff if you haven't done that. Also, don't forget the All Black National Convention's happening October 28th through the 30th in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's where all the B1 people get together, and we study everything from crypto to relationships to stock market investing to politics to everything. And we have a ton of fun. We have speed dating, all kinds of stuff. It's in Charlotte, so I hope you guys will join us. Last but not least, I promise you that I tell you about a stock that I really like right now. My favorite stock right now is actually Walmart. Walmart is making moves, baby. They're making big moves. I think this company is going to do extremely well in the next 3 to 5 years. And also, I think that if you look at crypto, Bitcoin is actually in a period where people believe that the demand for Bitcoin has gone down significantly, but the demand will rise back up once this mess is kind of over. And I suspect that in the next 5 years, you're going to see Bitcoin really take off. So I'm investing consistently in that too. So I hope that helps you. Well, don't forget, if you want to hang out with us more and have me text you regularly about what's going on, what moves I'm making in my portfolio, feel free to join us at drboyceprime.com. Again, use the code word Dr. Boyce, all one word. You can get 25% off right now. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Have a good day. Hit the thumbs up button on your way out. I love you. Peace.